Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Stuart. My name is Dan Thompson. Today we have the pleasure of seeing Cruisers flagship GLS, which is the 50. This amazing boat comes powered by triple 600 Mercury outboards. Unbelievable layout, great lines, great protection, and room for all your family and friends. Quintessentially the perfect South Florida boat. So let's go inside and we'll take a look. As we enter the cockpit of the 50 GLS, one thing you'll notice is the amazing cooking and prep station that they have all the way back here. You have two Kenyan grills and a nice convenient sink with cover for easy meal prep. Now when these engines are down, you do put the platform down. That way it gives you plenty of room to maneuver around the boat when you're out at the sandbar. And you got great storage underneath, as well. As we move forward into the cockpit, notice ample seating for everyone. One of the favorite parts of this boat is both sides fold down for their beach mode, which gives you tremendous amount of square footage in the back of the boat for entertaining on a beautiful day. You do have a great awning that comes out the back. Beautiful JL Audio upgraded sound system with speakers all over the hardtop and built throughout the boat. As we move forward into the cockpit, elevated seating for when you're underway, flexible table whether you're eating or just hanging out having drinks. The wet bar area inside, you have your double fridges, another sink, and a high-low TV that comes out of the back. Triple Simrad screens. The JPO joystick is standard with the 600s, which makes docking this boat a breeze. And with three 16-inch screens, you can set all your preferences up however you would like. Walk down the stairs into the cabin, you'll notice a nice wide open entry, a nice private forward stateroom. A large head to your starboard side with a nice standalone shower. As we move to the aft mid cabin, you'll notice overly sized, easy access, and plenty of room. As we move forward to the bow of the 50 GLS, you'll notice ample storage for all. Another great feature of the 50 is it has the power table that comes up out of the floor, which allows for easy room to move around, but then easy access to a table. Plenty of cup holders, a through hull windlass leads to the nice clean bow area. Boat also comes equipped with a very large bow sunshade, so entertaining out here when the sun's shining, is comfortable for all. This concludes a tour of our flagship 50 GLS. If you have questions about this boat or would like to schedule an appointment, you can contact me, Dan Thompson, here in MarineMax Stuart. My phone number is 978-375-1584. Thank you again. Look forward to seeing you on the water.